A new research project has begun at Riga Technical University, putting sensor technology to the test in real buildings. It is a collaboration between Riga Technical University and SAF Tehnika, with strong support from the mioty Alliance and Fraunhofer IIS. More than 4,000 Aranet sensors will be deployed across the RTU campus and dormitories, creating one of the largest mioty networks in the world.
The sensors we are installing at RTU, these are Aranet 4 sensors. Our best-selling product, probably the best CO2 monitor in the world. And now we are combining this sensor with the best available radio technology.
The goal is to test how sensor technology performs in a sensor-dense environment, how real-time data can improve indoor climate and energy efficiency, and give students hands-on experience with the latest tools.
Not only real-life test is ultimate proof. Is your concept good or bad? And I truly believe that the number of sensors will increase very fast during coming years.
This is the start of a large-scale deployment designed to prove how reliable sensor networks can support better research, smarter energy use, and healthier living spaces.